Manufacturing projects are complex. Planning jobs, managing orders, and completing time-sensitive projects requires flexible project management software. Project Manager helps you plan and execute manufacturing projects with powerful, yet easy-to-understand tools that your whole team can use. With 5 project views that all update in real time, it's easy to reduce busy work and stay in sync across manufacturing sites. Build precise project plans on the Gantt chart to lay a strong project foundation and track progress in real time. Use it to track production, manage orders, and track production cycles by providing a clear understanding of resources and timelines. As manufacturing teams execute projects, supervisors can compare planned costs and hours against actual costs and hours in real time, whether on a computer or using the Project Manager mobile app. If plans or order fulfillment requirements change, simply drag and drop dates to stay on schedule and on budget. Your team will be instantly notified. Whether the project is small or large, it's key to manage your team's workload. Project Manager's color-coded workload charts simplify real-time capacity planning and help you manage resources alongside your project. Manage specialized manufacturing processes on the Kanban board. Attach files, track progress, drag and drop tasks, and set priorities in one place. Use it to meet quality standards and tag team members to keep up with demand. Project Manager has custom workflows and automation to keep your manufacturing process efficient, helping you meet quality standards with ease. Set task approvals and build tailored workflows to shorten the communication chain and reduce project risk. In manufacturing, you can't lose sight of the big picture. Project Manager's project and portfolio dashboards automatically keep track of your project's overall health. Is there a lag in production? Do you need to execute your contingency plan? The dashboard is a powerful tool to help you answer key questions using live project data. Then, in a few clicks, generate custom reports to share with stakeholders. For manufacturing projects of all complexities, Project Manager makes it seamless to achieve your goals. Start managing projects, processes, and teams online with a free 30-day trial.